I can safely, without moving this down, I can take it out with no problem, because the strings are actually, you know, bringing this all the way down like that. So it's probably a little probably a little too high in pitch, because this whole bridge should be you know, it should be down a little bit. We should be able to bring this down. One, two, three, four, five. So, there we are, all our strings are on, and we're gonna stop this video right here, and the next video, we're gonna get this all up to pitch, and we'll continue from there. So, we'll see you in the next video segment. Have a good evening and be careful out there.